New Zealand's Prime Minister Chris Hipkins has described the flooding in the country's largest city, Auckland, as unprecedented.
What's going on? Yeah. Here we are, guys. Cyclespot. Couple of, oh, look at that. Couple of KTM adventures. Nice. Sick Desert X colour. Alright, we're recording. Happy Sunday, everybody. Today I am going into Cyclespot. Cyclespot have been closed for at least, well, I don't know, 6 weeks or something because of all the flooding damage. I'm pretty sure they lost like all their stock, just had to rebuild the store. And I got an email the other day saying that they were opening again. I'm going to go in, check out how the store's looking, and see if there's any new stock, because I'm sure they would have had to buy all new stock. I think they lost like 400 bikes or 300 bikes or something. I'm on the KTM. It's the only bike I have. Why would I not be on it? And yeah, I want to see if they have the new Tenere Raid in stock, because I'm pretty interested in that. I'm pretty interested. But other than that, we're just going to go for a chill ride. Nothing too out there today. No gravel adventures. So if you want to come along and just have a bit of a chill ride on a Sunday morning, it's a beautiful morning. Let's just get to it. I've got my camera, so we'll do a walk around of the shop when we get there. And I'm assuming the every Sunday riders are all going to be there, but I'm not going for a ride with them because I want to have a chill ride. That old boat. That thing's been there since I was a kid. They're rebuilding it apparently. I don't know, it seems like it must be just be like one dude doing it. Anyway, let's get on the motorway. There's one filthy Hilux. On a side note, if you guys want to help me support the channel and help this channel grow, if you're into the content, I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe and drop a comment below. Or if you guys already subscribed, you probably know that I'm a wedding photographer. It's my day job, and our wedding season's coming to an end here in New Zealand, and I'm in the process of just looking at Google Maps, searching all my old Gaia GPS tracks for routes around the South Island, because I'm pretty keen to get down there either this autumn or in spring. I can't really do it in winter, it's just too dangerous with the ice on the roads and stuff. So yeah, I'm in process of trying to map out a new route. So if you guys have any spots that you recommend down in the South Island, drop a comment below, that'd be epic. I'm looking forward to sharing it with you guys. So I'll be sharing all my maps with you guys when I travel around the country, and sharing all my locations to the campsites and stuff like that. Cyclespot. A few bikes out. Couple of, oh, look at that, couple of KTM adventures. Nice. It's good to see the adventures out. Alright, let's go and have a walk around, shall we? Going on?
Yeah, good.
The new 1290. It just looks nice, eh? Nice colour. It's crazy, all of this stock is new. Every bike in here, I think, is new stock. Apparently the water was like up to pillion seat. I really like the look of the new 1290 Adventure. It's basically the same bike, but nice colour. New V4 SP2. Tasty. This thing is selling for 150 grand. I think this is the one. I managed to save it. Sick Desert X colour. That's insane. ZX10. Still love that bike. Just imagine how much all this new stock would have cost. This is why you have insurance. R1M, MT10 SP. It's the old girl. I love these things. Hell yeah. That's sick. There you have it, guys. Cyclespot back open again. A shitload of new stock. It's unbelievable how much they would have had to pay out for new bikes. I mean, like I said, that's why you have insurance, right? Because that's a game-changing event. But this is the channels, like the water was flying through here. Just crazy how high the watermark would have been. So it's good to see them back open. They don't have the T7 Raid. Or the new Husky, what's it called, Norden Expedition or whatever, which I'm really looking forward to seeing. So I will definitely be back for some test rides and see how that goes. Nice little short video for you guys. Got a bit of backing up to do from last night's wedding, so don't forget, guys, if you know any cool camp spots or cool tracks around the South Island, drop a comment below and let me know and I'll check those out. That'll be awesome. I'm gonna get home, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time.